The GOP senator takes credit for anti-rape law after he voted against it. Shortly after President Obama signed the Violence Against Women Act, reauthorization into law, Senate Minority Whip John Cornyn released a glowing press release claiming that the Cornyn bill to eliminate the nationwide rape kit backlog was signed into law. The so-called Cornyn bill is the SAFER Act, which was incorporated into the Violence Against Women's renewal, which provided funds for states and local governments to conduct audits on untested DNA evidence and create a national reporting system to help track and prioritize untested rape kits, according to Cornyn's office. By all appearances, it seemed like a wonderful bill. The only problem is that he voted against it. He was one of 22 Republican men who voted against the Violence Against Women Act. He opposed the bill because he objected to the provision enabling tribal courts to prosecute non-Native Americans who committed rape or other violent acts against women on Indian reservations. America. I keep telling you the Republican Party is pale, stale, and male. Here is an example of it. This is the part of the hypocrisy, right? 22 Republican male senators vote against the Violence Against Women Act. At the same time, this male, pale, stale, and male senator, which he is, all three of those things from Texas, decides to take credit for getting his part of the bill his part of the bill passed, even though he voted against it. And his reason for voting against it is because he says, if you rape somebody on an Indian reservation, you don't deserve the right to go to court. You don't get to be tried. You get to just walk away because what? He doesn't want you to be tried by an Indian tribal court. Really, America? Rape is rape, no matter where it happens. If it happens in an airplane, if it happens on an Indian reservation, if it happens in the back of a car, or it happens on a woman's run, on somebody's daily run, it is still considered rape. Sadly, Republicans in Congress don't agree with it, but they will release glowy press releases to say that they do. Wow, some hypocrisy. And they say there's not a war on women. There is indeed a war on women being waged by the Republican Party, and we here at the Fowler Show want to do everything we can to fight that war. We need a good offense we need a good offense, and we need a better defense. Part of a good offense is a good message. And the only way we can continue to be part of that good message is by you subscribing to this YouTube page.